Hey, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you happen to be. This is the Grand Piston coming to you live from the Bad Back and Knees channel. Have a unique situation here today. This smoking hot chick I know has a 2012 Mazda 3 i-Touring and was complaining of a noise in the squirrel cage in the blower when she'd turn on the heat in the morning. Well, we live in southeastern United States where we've recently had a lot of hurricane activity, which most likely brought any mices, or the like up into any place they could get dry. So there's 1,000 videos out there already on how to get to this point, taking out the glove compartment to get to the HVAC and climate control system. Well, here's the trick nobody will tell you. If you get a candy wrapper, mouse, or anything else, heck, it might even be a snake, in the squirrel cage, rather than paying the dealership $450 to get in there and fix it, you can do it yourself. If you look right here, you can see what the issue is. Get you a good view of that. In the actual squirrel cage, which you can access by setting the unit to heat, then opening the outdoor vent system by pushing your recirculator, the door will open up and give you full access to the squirrel cage, which is where our problem is. So we're going to go about cleaning that all out. Simple shop vac, needle nose pliers, and a brush down, and then through the cabin air filter, which is located right here, which we're also going to change today, you can also access the bottom part of the return and basically clean the whole climate control system out in one procedure. Hope this saves you, $450 and some time and energy. And glad the Grand Piston could be there for you. Everybody have a good day.